our studio here, which is great fun.
That's right.
What reaction have you been finding online to the election in Somalia?
Well, Twitter users tweeting in English, which is the language I understand, seem to be quite pleased with the result, Mark. You can see here just a selection of some tweets. Money didn't win today. Hopefully this is a new start to change, says one Twitter user there. You also have lots of images of people celebrating in the streets. These images actually coming from Nairobi, the district of Eastleigh, which has a lot of Somali immigrants, hundreds of Somalis emigrating in Eastleigh after Mohamed Abdullahi Farmaajo declared president. You have another image here. I think this one is a sort of a GIF where you can see people thronging in the streets celebrating that victory. So it seems to be well received in certain quarters in any case. An image here or a still of General Gabre's face. According to the Live from Mogadishu Twitter feed, that face speaks 1,000 words. Someone is in big trouble, saying they're...
Roland, you're smiling. Tell us why.
Yeah, he's the, let us say, the Secret Service or the military intelligence guy from Ethiopia. So he's accused recurrently to manipulate everyone in Mogadishu. So.
Okay.
Well, in any case...